Hello everybody, we're working on a 2018 Chevy Traverse. We have a new smart key we're going to program. That is the learning slot right there. As you can see, there's a cutout. You simply lay the new fob in there. Now for GMs, you have to read the pin code. So here's the pin code that the machine read. And we're gonna go to keyless system. We're gonna add a smart key. Press the start button once, press OK. It's telling us to put the key in the slot. That is our pin code. And the ignition is off. And now we're gonna have to wait for about 12 minutes for this to go through. There you go, so 12 minutes. So that's gonna be in there. When it's done, we're gonna simply push the start button one time. The dashboard will display ready for fob 3 or 4, however many there are in the system. And that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. 2018 Chevy Traverse.